What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to take off your mirrors on your 97 to 06 Jeep TJ. They're all the same. The mirrors are slightly different, but they have the same bolt-up pattern and basically are identical. So all you're going to need is a T27 Torx, and then if you got a ratchet or an impact, makes it a little bit easier. And you're just gonna one, two. And then I like to do these two, and then that way you can kind of hold it on the bottom here. Do this last one so it doesn't fall. And then you're just going to slowly break it off here. Now in the early TJ models, I'm not exactly sure on the later models if they have this rubber gasket, but you want to make sure that you keep this rubber gasket or replace it for the next new one. So it's kind of neat. So we got Chrysler, made in Brazil. Manufactured date July 21st, 2000. It's kind of cool. All right, so reinstallation, real simple. Put it up here by hand, and then just start these things by hand. Don't just screw them on. Just get it started by hand. You can use the bit to help you, but just get it started. Then we're not stripping anything out. Okay, now that we've got them all started by hand, go ahead and tighten them up. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I know, real simple video, but I figured, some people don't know. Some people got to start somewhere, so I figured this could help someone. And yeah, anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.